All right, so today we will be going a little bit over integrative simulation of compression molding and prepreg overmolding. All right, a quick outline of what will be discussed in this presentation, this webinar that you guys are attending. Basically, a quick introduction to composite materials, the different composite materials, some case studies that we've done with other our partners with different types of processes, like your compression, your overmolding, RTM, and then we'll go through just a quick conclusion. Okay. So types of composite materials, typically there are two types, your discontinuous and your continuous type. The discontinuous is used in your thermoplastics, like your injection molding process, or even compression molding of thermoplastics. We have your GMT, LFTs for your thermoplastics, your thermosets for your SMCs and DMCs. Your continuous type, which is kind of like a prepreg or a matte or a preform, which consists of like your 3D fabric and different unidirectional fabrics for your prepregs or your preforms. All right. So for discontinuous types of composites, we have your randomly oriented, like fibers, and we have your discontinuous and aligned fibers. Doesn't necessarily have to be fibers, but I think fiber is an easy way to visualize. Continuous types, we have our, again, aligned and also, as mentioned, like a fabric, your prepreg. So some images of what the different types of material are. Again, your thermoplastics, you have your GMT, your LFT, and your LFTD, direct long fiber thermoplastic.